Let us begin this video unit by asking ourselves a simple question. What are data structures? In simple words, it is a way in which any programming language organizes, stores, and retrieves data. Data structures define the relationship between the data and the operations that are performed on it. We have already worked with primitive data structures like integers, floats, strings, and booleans in the previous section. As we go further in this course, we will deal with more advanced data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, and arrays. Let us first begin by understanding lists. As the name suggests, a Python list is a list, or stack, of different things. It can be a list of same data types, or different. For example, a list of grocery shopping consists of frozen, fresh, and canned food items. Similarly, a Python list can consist of, say, integers, floats, strings. You can add, remove, change, or select any item of your choice from this stack. This makes lists more powerful and flexible than arrays. Syntax. Lists are enclosed by square brackets and elements should be separated by a comma. You may pause the video and have a look at the few examples shown on the screen. Main properties of lists are: 1. They are ordered. 2. They can contain any objects. 3. Their size can be varied. 4. They are nestable, that is, they can contain other lists as elements. 5. Their elements can be accessed by index. 6. They are mutable, that is, you can perform various functions on it. In the upcoming IPython notebook, we will look at all the different functions that can be used to manipulate lists. Using lists in Python is very easy. Lists can be used as a stack, wherein the last element added to the stack is the first element retrieved. This is known as last in, first out, or LIFO. To add an item on the top of the stack, you can use the append function, and to retrieve from the top, you can use the pop function. Lists can also be used as queues, wherein the first element added to the list is the first element retrieved. This is known as first in, first out, or FIFO. We can do this by using the insert and the pop functions. Advanced usage. Lists can also be used as graphs. A graph in computer science is a network consisting of different nodes, or vertices. These nodes may, or may not be, connected to each other. The line that joins the nodes is called an edge. If the edge has a particular direction, it is a directed graph. If not, then it is an undirected graph. Famous problems like traveling salesman can be solved using lists, wherein one has to find the most optimized path to reach any particular destination or node. Further, lists can also be used as trees. Trees are majorly used in the gaming world for executing scenario-based analysis. For example, in chess, a huge tree structure is built with all the possible moves. Then based on your move, the game will analyze and apply heuristics to decide on its optimal move. But more of this in the IPython notebook. Always remember, a list data structure is essential for Python programming. That is, you will hardly find any serious programs in Python without the usage of lists. So stay tuned and keep learning.